Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to make your Discord status change itself automatically. We will only use safe and legal features that are already inside Discord, so your account stays completely secure. Step 1. Enable activity status so Discord updates what you are doing automatically. Open Discord and click on the user settings gear next to your name. Scroll down until you find activity settings. There, you will see an option called Display Current Activity as a status message. Turn this on. From now on, whenever you open a supported game or app, Discord will automatically show it as your status, without you needing to type anything. Step 2. Connect Spotify so your status changes with every new song. Go back to User Settings and click on Connections. Select Spotify and log into your Spotify account. After connecting, make sure Display on Profile and Display Spotify as your status are both enabled. Now when you listen to music, Discord will automatically show listening to Spotify and the song name, and it will change by itself every time the song changes. Step 3. Use custom status with automatic timers. Click your profile picture and choose Set Custom Status. Type any status message you want and then choose how long it will last, such as 1 hour, 4 hours, or until tomorrow. When that time ends, Discord automatically clears it. You can then set another one, so your status keeps changing over time without you manually updating it every few minutes. Step 4. Use games and apps that support rich presence to auto-update status details. Some games and programs send live activity information to Discord. For example, they can show what level you are on, what mode you are playing, or how long you have been active. You do not have to do anything extra. Just run the game or app and your Discord status will continuously update itself as you play. Step 5. Understand that automation for personal accounts is not allowed, but bots can change their own status. Discord rules clearly do not allow self-bots or scripts that control your personal account automatically. These can get you banned. However, if you own a Discord bot, its status can be programmed to rotate or change automatically because that is part of how bots work. This is only for bots, not for your personal user account. So that is how you can make your Discord status change on its own using activity status, Spotify connection, custom status timers, and rich presence apps without breaking Discord rules or risking your account. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Discord tutorials.